guys, this is Priya from Kolkata. I would like to share my Duolingo test experience with all you guys. I just took the test like 1 week back, and I got 115, which is almost 7 bands in IELTS. So as we know, the current scenario all over the world is very lethargic, due to which the IELTS test centers around the globe is closed. So the Duolingo test is an alternative option. The test is very simple. It is not like IELTS that we have to sit for 2 hours 60 minutes. It is more or less almost 60 minutes where we have to sit in our comfort zone and we have to take the test. So we don't have to do any hassle. What we can do is download the test, take the practice test before you appear for the final test. So I would say, if you are really planning to go for September intake, you should not waste your time. Go and take the alternative test, which is Duolingo, and you can crack the exam very easily. I would say that whoever is watching my video, I can guarantee if he or she takes the practice test for more than 3 to 4 times, I can bet everyone that they will be scoring more than 115, which I scored. I did not have time much, so that's why I just got 115, which is equal to 7 bands in IELTS. Now I would like to talk about the pattern. The pattern is more or less like IELTS, like reading, listening, reading and writing. But here we have speaking as well. So what is the pattern like? I would like to tell you. First, there will be a small passage in which there will be some blanks which will be missing and which we have to fill it. Like we have to good with the vocabs and the prepositions, which is like in, on, the, is, are, they. You have to just guess it. So it's very simple. It's not like the reading IELTS. So what I can say you, just go through the vocabularies, like starting with A to Z. Next is there will be a small picture and you will be given more or less 1 minute or 40-50 seconds to write about the picture. Second is the speaking test. The speaking test is not like the IELTS where we will be given 15 minutes or 10 minutes, where we will be given a small topic and we have to speak just for 30 seconds, not more than that. So just brush yourself with the questions. You will be given few seconds to look for the topics and frame the whatever you want to say. Secondly, now it comes to listening. Listening is very different here. Like we will be given some English words and we have to check that word, that whether it is the English word or not. So it's very simple, you don't have to panic for that. Next, writing. It's almost same like IELTS, but here the main thing is time management. Where in IELTS we have 1 hour, here we don't have 1 hour, we just have 4 to 5 minutes. So I would say the mistake which I did, I don't want you guys to do that. So what you can do is break your time frame and just go through the topic in few seconds and just start writing. And whenever you are writing, try to write as you write accordingly in IELTS, like with the paragraphs, by breaking the paragraphs into 4 stanzas. So like I would say that just write the essay, like complete the full essay around by 3 to 4 minutes, and then keep few minutes to go back and edit, because we are like addicted to writing with pen and pencils, and here we have to write with our hands and we have to type it. So mistakes are very easy. Mistakes can be easily made. So I would like to say that keep few minutes, that if you can go back and edit those words which you have made a small mistakes, and for which the invigilator won't give you any negative marking or less score. So these are the things. And lastly, I would say that there is a very important session at the end, which is an interview session, which will be seen by the colleges you will be applying for. So don't miss out to write the names of the colleges which you are opting for or you will be opting for in future. So this is the right time, and the interview session will be very innovative, where an invigilator will be looking at you but you won't be able to see the invigilator. And just make sure you look appealing in the sense you look more interesting. Keep a smile at your face, don't look dull or boring. Try to be like, don't stop, don't take any pause, keep on talking until and unless the time stops. So these are the tricks what I wanted to share with you guys. So thank you so much.